Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn what are QR codes. See, nowadays, from the small shop to big mall. See, from small shops to big mall, if you go, wherever we go, we are going to see or find one QR code like this. See, by using these QR codes, we are going to scan and we are going to pay the money. And suppose if at all you want to get any information, if at all you want to get any locations, by using one QR code only, we are going to make our work easy. Okay, now first of all, before going to start this video, we should know what are QR codes. See, the QR code is nothing but quick response code. The QR code is a observation of quick response. See, here only is the quick response code is like a special barcode. A QR code is a quick response code. It is a special barcode. See, we can see it is one of the dimensional barcode that can store information. See, this is one of the dimensional barcode. It can store the information of text, websites, links, contact details, payments, and many more. See, in this barcode, you can observe. See, in this barcode, we can save the information of, it may be a website link. Then we can save text. See, one is website link, then second one is text, then the third one is contact details. See, I'll write here. Third one is contact details. Then the fourth one is payment information. Payment information. See, for these reasons, we are going to use the barcodes. That is, to website link, to create or generate website links, then text, then to generate a contact details, then the payment information. Okay, now you have understood what is QR code, I think. Now, how to create or how to generate QR code in a computer. So here, how can we create or how can we generate QR codes in a computers? See, also you can see here, when you scan it, your phone or camera quickly takes you to the information. See, when we use the scan, by using the mobile scan, it will take us to websites, video, contact details, payment links, and also Wi-Fi passwords. See, by using these barcodes, we are going to do all these multiple works. That is, we can directly enter into the website, then we can directly yeah, open into the video, then contact details, then payment links, and also Wi-Fi passwords. Just if we scan by using our cell phone. In a cell phone, there is a option QR code scanner. By using that QR code scanner, if we scan directly, we are going to visit the website, video, contact details, payment links, and also Wi-Fi passwords. Okay, now instead of typing a long links, just we are going to just scan. See, once if we scan, if you open the scan app in the cell phone and if you open by using the camera option, directly we are going to get all these information. Means we are not going to type the long links instead of typing the long links, directly we are going to enter into the particular locations. Okay, now directly we are going to create QR code. See, what are the procedure to create a QR code? First, we are going to launch the web browser. Okay, before launch the web browser, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Okay, now it, without wasting time, just we are going to enter into the Google to create a web browser. Just launch web browser, that is Google Chrome. See, once we click on Google Chrome, the Google Chrome home page is going to be appear like this. See, this is the home page of Google. On address bar, type www dot, or else you can type me QR code. See, on address bar, just you type me QR code. Here you can see. Then as soon you type me QR code, then click on enter. See, as soon we click on enter by entering my QR code. So here you can observe I have entered my QR code. Then very first one, the first website, the very first website, that is QR code generator. See, meqr.com. meqr.com, the very first website what is going to be displayed onto the screen, that is QR code generator. Just click on that. See, as soon we click on the QR code generator, the interface is going to be open like this. See, this is the QR code interface. See, here there is a create QR code. If you want to log in for the first time, you can also log in. Then after the login, just click on create QR code. So here you can see create and customize your dynamic QR code for free. So here freely we are going to create. We are not going to pay, or we are not going to subscribe for the any plans here. Okay, now see first one, by using URL links. URL is nothing but uniform resource locator. See, by pasting the links here, we can generate URL. We can generate QR code. Then the list of links. Then for the YouTube links, then image, PDF, WhatsApp, audio, vCard, text. Then this is for Instagram logo. See, for all this, we are going to generate our QR codes. And also there is a option view more types. See, once we click on more types, still more whatever the application and options available under the QR code generator is going to be appear here. So you can see we can also generate a QR code for map, then Wi-Fi, audio, then Facebook, then YouTube, Instagram, then Telegram. See, for all these, we can easily generate the QR code by using this particular website. Okay, now what I am going to do here, just I am going to create or generate one of the QR code for the logo of Confinity. So what I am going to do here, this is the logo is in my image format. So simply I am going to click on image. See, here there is a image. So what I am going to do here, now simply I am going to click on image option. Okay, as soon as I click on to the image option, it is going to ask download image. That means from where we are going to upload the image for to generate the QR code. Just simply click on upload image. Sorry, upload image. See where from where we are going to upload. See, simply click on upload image. It is going to ask for the login. See, for the first time if you are using, first you should log in, then we should further you should start. Wait for a while. Okay, as soon we click on to the upload image, it will take the locations of a computer, that means where we have saved the images. Okay, now I have kept my Infinity logo onto the desktop. Okay, here you can see the logo. Just I am going to select and I'm going to click on open, or else we can double click also. If we double click, it is going to be open. See, once I click onto the open, now on the QR code interface, the logo has been entered. Okay, here you can see, here the name of QR, means you can give your name also, that is optional. If you not give also, it is going to be generated. And also content category. The content category, that is, it is for education or family or relationship or career. Here there is a content category is there. If you want, you can select. Here I'm going to select content category as education. It is not compulsory, it is optional. If you not give also, it is going to be generated. Okay, now here I'm going to give name as Confinity. Okay, once I give the name and the content category, just click on customize and download QR code. Okay, just click on customize and download. Okay, as soon I click on to the download, here you can see on my display or my computer interface, the QR code is generated. See, within a fraction of second, it won't take more time. Within a fraction of second, the QR code is going to be generated. Okay, now once the QR code is generated, and also you can select here the format, means which the type of format however you want. Here you can choose and you can select. Here there are so many means templates, we are going to call it as, means ready-made templates they are going to give. In that format is going to be up here. See, like this, whatever we select in that format is going to be generated. Okay, now my QR code is ready for the Canfinity logo. Okay, that is the format is PNG, then size is 1000 to 1000 mega means pixels. Then once it generated, simply click on download QR code. Okay, as soon we click on to the download option, now you can see on my downloads the QR code has been generated. You just open in a folder. You can see Canfinity name as given as a Canfinity. So here you can see now the logo, the Canfinity logo QR code is generated. Now simply if I take my cell phone and if I scan this QR code, the logo is going to be displayed onto the cell phone. Logo of Canfinity. That is the logo. I'll show 1 minute. Okay, see, if I scan this QR code by using the cell phone, it is going to display the Canfinity logo. See, in this way, we are going to create a QR code for, it may be a text, it may be for website links, and also contact details and for the payments. I hope you have understood how to generate QR code and what are the QR codes after watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like the videos. Thank you.